Welcome everybody to another episode of TowMateTV. Gunther Vinson, Director of Marketing here for TowMate. How you guys doing today? I got Chris Anderson with me again, Vice President of TowMate. What's up, man?
Hey, how you doing today?
Good.
Yeah, right on.
Another beautiful day out.
Yeah, another beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Yep.
So we start off every show kind of saying hello to all you guys. Eventually we're going to be doing some live streams and fielding questions on the go, but not quite there yet. So kind of in review, in our past episodes, we've looked at various wireless tow light systems like our super fast charge TM Flux wireless tow light series. We've talked about our PowerLink overhead light bars, which have our 2-wire communication set up, along with all the peripheral lighting that we discussed last week, strobes, tail lights that double as strobes, and work lights. So I'd encourage you guys to go back and look at some of these episodes if this is the first time you're tuning in. We got a lot of products, a lot of new stuff, a lot of stuff that we've had in the past that you just may not be aware of. And so we're just trying to get that messaging out to you guys to keep you safer on the roads.
Nice. What do you got here today, man? I see you got a big money bag. You got a new thing hanging back here. I mean, we got some cool stuff going on today.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, the bag's not full of money, but it is a very durable bag. So if you could stuff it full, I'll send you my mailing address. But no, this is a rip-resistant bag that keeps all of this system together. The system we're talking about today is hanging behind me. It's this oversized load banner. So when you receive it, you open the box, you've got the bag. In the bag is, of course, this foldable banner that you see behind me. And it rolls right up. It's made out of a mesh material, so it's not going to get caught up in the wind, putting extra stress on the seams while it's being used and the load is being hauled. Naturally, of course, there's some wind resistance, but it's not as much as, say, just a straight vinyl banner. But I'll get more into that in a moment. This system runs on our lithium battery pack, and this is the light-duty version. It will run and operate this banner for about up to 8 hours on a charge, a solid 6 for sure. And you can purchase extra batteries as well. But that battery charges on this cigarette lighter charging base. You've got 4 tabs, so if you wanted to mount it, you could. And then that just slides in, drops in, snaps in, and it takes about 6 hours to get a full charge. But it is lithium, and so that thing will last up to 10 years. In addition to that, the system comes with your wireless transmitter. Now this is the piece that plugs into the truck to send the signals to the wireless stop tail turn that's incorporated into our banner. We offer this in all different styles, so pretty well if you've got a trailer plug on a trailer connector on your truck, we've got a transmitter that'll mate to it. This is what we call the 7-pin RV. It's got the flat spades for pins, but we also do the 7-pin round, 4-pin round, 4 flat, 6-pin, you name it. So that's what the system consists of when you receive it. I'll go ahead and pop this battery in and we can start taking a look at its functionality.
Nice. I'll clear out of the way here for you.
All right, so you see it's lit up. It's going to kind of do some internal firing up, and then once it's ready to operate, you see those strobes are going to activate. So again, this is the TMBN8S. Somewhat of a mouthful, but what would you expect from an oversized load banner? So as you see, it features amber flashers. You've got your LED markers in the center, as well as your wireless stop tail turn. So you've got your transmitter plugged in. It's already set up to operate. No further wiring required or any sort of process. Just plug and play, or in this case work. So I'll show you what the signals look like. I've got a little tester board here with me. So you've got your left turn, right turn, and brake. And so it gives you all, and then the tail lights are the standard mode. So you're always going to have illumination. Say you didn't plug your transmitter in all the way, or you've got a bad connection, a bad ground, and so it's not functional. You're going to still have lighting back there until you are able to remedy the situation. With the LEDs drawing so little power, it doesn't make a huge difference on the lifespan of the battery. And so, were you to have a bad connection and that tail light circuit was going on and off, we want to avoid pitfalls like that where you could end up having, faulty lighting at the rear in any given situation. So we make that just the standard mode. You power it on, it's got tail lights on, and it's got the amber flashers going and your center markers at the top. So it is fully DOT compliant, and it's a patented design, and it is available now. So contact your local TowMate dealer to find out, how long it'd take to get one in hand, so that you can have easier work as you load up those oversized pieces of machinery. So,
and with every TowMate product, this has lifetime warranty with electronics and LEDs.
Right, yeah, and so for those that may not be aware, these are manufactured in the U.S. We're based in Rogers, Arkansas, and manufacture in-house everything from our PCBs, our circuit boards that go in. We've got pick-and-place machinery. We program them up. We encapsulate them, make them weatherproof. It's all done right here in Rogers, Arkansas, and as such, we back our products with a lifetime warranty on electronics and LEDs. So if ever one of these diodes burns out on these lenses, or you fail to get a signal, that's stuff that's covered for life. The only thing really that wouldn't be in terms of functionality is the battery, which we warranty for a solid year, but it's lithium, so it can last up to 10 years. And again, it will operate the light about 6 to 8 hours.
Nice. Man, that's a really cool product. I appreciate you bringing it in today.
Well, thank you for having me once again, and
no problem.
we'll be bringing more cool stuff to you next week. We've got a new overhead bar design that we'll be introducing, so be sure to tune in next week as well.
Wow, cool. Well, thank you everybody for checking us out. We will see you next week.